Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan Coop here in Brooklyn, New York. Today is December the 27th, I think, Sunday, 2010. It's getting real cold, real chilly, and lots and lots of snow. So, I'm one of the few, the brave, came outside today. Trying to get the video camera out so you can watch our video. Man, it's cold. Doing alright. Alright, here we are. There's the car. Gotta get the video out from the car. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Oh, here they are. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Where's the video camera? Okay, it's right here. There's the bad boy. Stick that inside. Alright, so back we go. So, snow's piling up. As you can see, it's getting real heavy. Oh man, it's cold. It's real cold. Oh. Don't try this at home, guys. This is not for everybody. It's pretty bad weather out here. Incredible, lots of snow, lots and lots of snow. You could barely see the roads. They're saying this is going to continue through the night, so it's going to end up getting much worse. You're not feeling this, but it's real windy out here as well. So my face feels like a big bicycle. Lots of snow. Conditions are just unbearable. But I'm very prepared for this. I'm what they call a man's man type of thing. I'm a survivor. So again, don't try this at home. It's not for everybody. All right. We'll see you guys later. Take care and stay warm.